officials within the county government.
Od bura ma county Garissa ochoro chenro mage nyaka dwe mabiro kaka yo mar yuago medruok mar osuru koso omenda kod duoko piny osachgi e kind midhiero mamoko. Okang' makama biro kaluwore kod romo mano bagi county no mano ochiwo thuolo mar jumbe ariyo ne county no ni ka ok ochiwnegi omenda to gibiro chunge chenrogi e county no. Jood bura go yuago Sara kod Mambalang moduok piny kod duol mar SRC ka ok okaw pachgi.
The one who met today, the governor.
This adjournment is as a result of a 14-day ultimatum that we gave as members of the county assemblies in KICC on the 3rd of May. And this is as a result of challenges that members of the county assemblies face at the assemblies. The challenges that we face are lack of financial autonomy. You know very well that county assembly is a unit of the county government. Members of the county assembly suffer as a result of low salary. We are paid less than even our clerks, our committee clerks.